This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. Mario is saying he wants to create a simple script icon generator so the tray icons are easily distinguishable. Yeah. Yeah, we have I've been keeping icons forever. Actually, here I
Because I see you have like the scripts in your tray are you have lots of the ones with the purple background and just the letter. Are they auto-generated or did you choose them
so
by?
so I have all these for the alphabet, like in different, versions, and
Mhm.
then we have emoji icons and numbers, and oh, this is our groups for our for Telegram, a bunch of PNG stuff, and then program. So I've just been storing them, and then we put them, on our Dropbox and share them, and it's so easy to go get a quick icon.
Mhm.
And then when we have something new, I use AI to go generate. There you go. I
Yeah.
use AI to generate icons. Like I should go keep going and add, 9 more to that. But yeah, there's 8 million. Having some icons that you can. We use this in the recently modified files too to help show how things are grouped together. So here's like 1 through 26. So you can just index over them basically, right? Like
Mhm.
anyway, yeah. But yeah, a lot of people don't change those icons, and holy cow, it's so easy.
Yeah.
All right, let me look at the list before I stop sharing. So we were talking about hooks. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible. Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons, packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits.